Hi guys! Today we are making a no-bake cheesecake. What we need is a half a cup of melted butter, a half a cup of light brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 packs of graham crackers. Graham crackers in a food processor. Then put all your ingredients. Now you're going to transfer your crust to the pan. Get the crust, compress it to the side to make a wall, then use a cup. Wow, this crust looks amazing. Let's put it in the freezer while we make our cream cheese filling. Let's make the cream cheese filling. What we need is 1 pound of cream cheese or 4 packs of it, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Let's mix it. For a roll, we need half a cup of whipped cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Let's whip. Add your whipped cream to your cream cheese mixture and mix it well. Our cream cheese filling is done, so let's transfer it to the pan. This cheesecake is ready. Let's put this in the fridge overnight. Now I'm making a yummy, delicious sauce for our cheesecake. What we need is 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, 10 to 15 strawberries, and 5 to 6 blackberries. Strain your sauce and add sugar if needed. After the cheesecake is in the fridge for 24 hours, it's done. Let's decorate. We need a basil or mint leaves for decoration. Let's put our oh yum sauce. Wow, this looks amazing and very good.